Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope everyone's doing well. And for those of you that are new, welcome. Today we are making egg rolls, and I started already with the coleslaw. So this is cabbage, carrot, green pepper, and onion. And I just used about a third of a bag of coleslaw. I think it's an 8-ounce bag. And I'm just sauteing it a little bit with some seasonings. I use garlic pepper, ground garlic, ground onion. What else did I use? A little bit of Old Bay, because these are going to be shrimp egg rolls. Okay. And I feel like I said chicken egg rolls. I mean shrimp egg rolls. Okay, so we're done with the coleslaw. You could just use cabbage. You don't have to use carrots. You can slice it up yourself. Now here I have 8 large shrimps, and what I did was I cut them up into smaller pieces, and I'm gonna put them in here. And I seasoned them with some toasted sesame oil, powdered onion, powdered garlic, and some Old Bay seasoning. And I'm just going to cook them in here quickly. Okay, I don't want to use another pan for this. And then after I'm done with that, we're going to stuff the egg roll wrappers with them. Okay, and I'm glad you guys are here with me. I've been reading the comments and the encouraging words, and I'm so happy to get them. Okay guys, just keep it coming. It encourages me to make a new video, and I see that you guys have been sharing my videos and liking them, and I'm very grateful for that also. So we're gonna let this cook for a little bit. I'm gonna put the heat up a little bit higher. Okay, and then when we come back, we're not gonna cook them long because shrimp doesn't take long to cook. When we come back, we'll just stir it all together and we'll stuff our egg rolls. Okay, so our shrimps are cooked. And we're going to stir the cabbage in there with our shrimps. And from what I see, the ratio of shrimp to cabbage, we could have used a little bit more cabbage. So next time what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook half the bag instead of a third of the bag, because it's 8 shrimps, 8 large shrimps. And as you can see, bring it over here, it's a lot of shrimp. See that? It's a lot of shrimp. So, and I enjoy the cabbage in the egg roll. I don't mind having a lot of cabbage. I don't even mind if the egg roll is just cabbage, because I love cabbage and seasoned well. Okay, I really love that. So, doesn't even have to have any meat in it for me. So, we've got that. So that's ready. Now we're gonna get the egg roll wrappers and we're gonna start stuffing them. So let's spread out this mixture onto a large plate so it can cool faster, because if we leave it in this pan, it's just gonna take too long. So we're gonna spread it out in this plate. And as soon as it's cool, or cool enough, we'll be able to stuff our egg roll wraps. We can't do it now because then the wraps will fall apart. They won't hold together with the heat and the liquid in here, and it's just not gonna work. Okay, so we'll come back. Okay, so we're ready to wrap our egg rolls. The only thing is, let's see. Just get them out of the refrigerator. And guys, I just want to show you, I went to the Asian market because my supermarket ran out of wrappers last week. So I went to the Asian market And all they had were these little ones, but these are for if you're going to be making, what do they call them? The little wontons or the little pot stickers. They're small. And then I went back to the supermarket again yesterday, and they had these, the ones that I normally use. And you see the size difference. Okay, there you go. And then here's that one. So I couldn't, unless I'm going to make little wontons with this stuffing, which I could. It's just going to be smaller and a lot more. So I'm going to put these away, and we're going to start wrapping these up. And I want to cook them as I wrap them, because like that, if there's any moisture in the mix, it won't ruin the wrapper and seep through, and then the wrapper will open up. As it's cooking, I don't want that to happen. Or as it's resting, waiting for me to finish the rest. Okay, I need something to open this up. So now I know when I go to my grocers, I need to buy at least 2 of these at a time, because they seem to be running out fast. I always used to see them there last for a long time, but not anymore. Okay, I guess a lot of people are catching on to this, and they're making their own wraps and utilizing these for different things, and I'm happy about that. All right, so we've got, let me make sure you guys are in the frame and you can see that. Just turn this a little bit like that. Okay, and I'm gonna get a spoon here. And this is gonna make maybe about, looks like it'll make 6 egg rolls maybe, or 5 or 6. Okay, let's see. And again, I'm gonna turn it towards me, like a diamond. It's gonna be facing me like a diamond. Oh, again, we don't forget to wet the edges of the wrapper. Alright, there you go. Oops, wrong spoon. Go. Okay, this one could have been done a little bit better. Let's see. There you go. Okay, I don't know if that oil is hot enough. Let's drop a piece of this wrapper in here and see. Nope, not yet. Well, maybe it is. Let's see. Okay, a piece of, ooh, I spread myself a little. Let me just pull off my finger a bit. Okay, I went a little bit too deep into the pot. Okay, I'm all right. Finger's okay. Okay, just ran it under cold water just to stop it from burning. Okay, so guys, be careful when you're putting your anything that you're putting in, that you're frying in hot oil. Just be very careful. Okay, and again, hey, this is real cooking. Okay, you can't fake that. Okay, again, we're gonna wet the edges of the wrapper. Okay, we're gonna get some of the shrimp stuffing. Maybe I'm overstuffing them. I could be doing that too. A little bit in there. Bring this over. That over. Wet the edges again. nice. I don't think this will come out. Okay, that's what that looks like. Okay. And we're gonna put this one in there too. Okay, I was extra careful that time. I don't want to burn myself again. All right. Okay, again, put the border. But next time, I think I'm going to use a lot more cabbage because I like cabbage in my egg roll. I enjoy the cabbage. So, you know, it's nice to have a lot of shrimp, but, you know, I like my cabbage. So next time, I'll make half the bag instead with the same ratio of shrimp. Again. There you go. Okay guys, we've got 3 in there. Okay, we'll come back when we're all done. Okay, so we're done, and here are our egg rolls, our shrimp egg rolls with cabbage and coleslaw. And what I did was I made these with a single wrapper, the first ones. Then the last 3, I double wrapped them, so I used 2 wrappers together to see if I would get a better result, because with these, they seem to break apart easily and sometimes open up. And this one opened up a little, but it didn't open up all the way, which is okay. But, you know, this is how they came out. And let me open one up just to show you guys what they look like in the inside. Okay, that's what they look like. Okay, there you go. You can see some of the shrimp there, some of the cabbage. Okay, guys, and I hope you make these. These are a lot of fun. And they're really not hard to make as long as you get everything ready, chopped up and together. You're good to go. Okay, see you next time.